What's going on, investors? Welcome back to the channel. Sofi stock is crashing once again. We almost hit $8. Now it's in the $6.50, $6.60 range. Is $5 coming for Sofi stock, or does it even matter? The whole market is selling off right now. So what am I doing with my Sofi shares? Am I buying? Am I holding? Am I selling? Let's get into it. Sofi had an absolutely terrible day today, down another 7%. Down another penny after hours to $6.65. If we look over the last 3 months, we peaked at around $7.84, and we bottomed twice in like the 6.30 range, and we're heading down there, guys. We're definitely getting towards that 6.30 range. I definitely think it's a possibility, especially if the market keeps selling off like the world is ending. This week was one of the most unprecedented times I've ever seen in the market. The Nasdaq was down like 2 to 3%, 2 days in a row, like in 2 trading days for a big, huge index to be down like 6% it's insane, guys. It's really, really, like I said, unprecedented. You don't see these kind of violent moves down, and it's so stupid. We're in this crazy market where the jobs report came out bad today, but I guess bad jobs reports are bad again. A month or two ago, when a good jobs report came out, the market sold off. It was just like, this makes no sense. So now we don't want lower interest rates because the market is like pricing in what? It doesn't even know what direction it's going right now. There's so much volatility, and a lot of it makes no sense. Everyone is selling all their stocks for what? Where are you going to go put your money at now, guys? Where are you going to go put your money? All these huge savings accounts that are paying like 4 to 5% as interest rates are cut, those interest rates are going to get slashed too, and we're going to get back to the savings like at like 2 or 3%. That's what you want to make every year, 2 or 3%. So I do think in my heart of hearts that this violent selling is going to kind of be like an impasse. We're only going to see this maybe a little bit next week, but people are going to realize, these violent 20, 30% sell-offs in a week are potential buying opportunities. Some of the biggest stocks in the market like Google and Amazon are getting ripped apart, and these businesses aren't going anywhere, man. Especially Amazon. Like, I love Amazon. I bought a little more Amazon. I actually bought 10 more shares of Sofi in this little baby account. You can see I own like 210 shares right now in this, like, I think this little Robinhood account has like 12 grand in it or something. So we're down 11%. Our cost average is $7.50. I have 3,300 in my big dog account, 300 in an IRA, and then I think like another 200 or 300 in like my little baby Fidelity account. So we have right around 4,000 and change shares of Sofi. Am I buying shares? We'll see. If we get under $6, I might consider buying some more, because if we take a look at these Q2 2024 summary results, the numbers are great, guys. Just look at this year-over-year growth. We're steadily, since Q1 of 2023, above 40%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarters in a row above 40%, and we're comping against like pretty good growth as well. We just hit 8.8 million members, or just about 41% year over year. We added 643,000, right around the same mark as the last couple quarters. We're adding between 600 and 700,000 members. And then next quarter, we're going to be in that 9.5 million. And then the quarter after that, we're going to be crossing 10 million members for Sofi, guys. The numbers just look great. The new product additions, almost 1 million more in Q2. 12.8 million, 36% year over year growth, right? We're ticking down a little bit, but as the company gets bigger and bigger, we're not going to see these crazy 121% numbers, because that's just not realistic or sustainable. But if these numbers stay in that 20 to 35% range over the next 5 to 10 years, Sofi is going to continue to grow huge numbers. The Galileo accounts ticked up again, 158 in millions, up 23% year over year. It's crazy. The Galileo accounts are 158 million, and we actually are increasing the percentage year over year. We went from 11, 10, 11 to 20% in Q1 and 23% in Q2, guys. It's just the numbers are just great. The lending products are consistently growing, and these numbers are only down is because they're being cautious about the landscape we're in right now. They've been saying that for like the last 3 quarters that they're going to scale back their lending products, and they're still up 19% year over year. But financial service products are booming, dude. Look at this exponential growth, up 39% year over year growth. And it's just amazing to watch this company, really, really, really execute at the highest level, man. So, quarterly performance, net revenue, $597 million in revenue. That is a record for SoFi, the biggest number in the history of SoFi stock. $597 million in revenue. Quarterly adjusted EBITDA in millions. We ticked down slightly in Q2, but the numbers are still really, really good. 23% year over year growth. And we might see an uptick in the next couple quarters in this EBITDA number, because I do think as rates go down, SoFi's risk is going to increase a little bit, guys. So, I mean, we're doing really, really good. We're up 8% in the low range of guidance, high range 6%. I mean, the guidance is really, really, really good. Q2 2024 guidance, was $555 million. High was $565. We beat 42 on the low end, up $32 million on the high end. I don't know what else you could ask for in a company that is consistently improving their business model, consistently improving revenue. I'm happy with what SoFi is doing. The stock price 100% is not reflecting the business, in my opinion. So I'm going to hold my shares for now. And if we get under $6, maybe I'll start selling some long-term puts in that $4 range out a year, 2 years, and make some money that way. And then if I get put the stock and this company continues to execute, I'll gladly buy those shares at a cheaper price. All right, let me know in the comments below. What are you doing with your shares? Were you involved in this insane selling the last few days? Did you panic sell? Did you lose your mind? Because I know a lot of people did, and a lot of people lost a ton of money. My big dog account is down 18 grand in the last 3 days, dude. It's crazy. It hurts my heart, but you know what? I'm just going to buy more of the companies I have high conviction in, and then when the dust settles, they're going to start moving back towards the upside, and we're going to make a ton of money, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.